soap or sanitizer? Which is better? Let's see. Viruses are made up of three things, namely nucleic acid genome like DNA or RNA, which is genetic material, a protein which fits with the nucleic acid and replicates inside a host body, a fatty outer layer of lipids. Now let's see the basic structure of coronavirus. This is the basic structure of coronavirus. Therefore, we can say that most of the virus consists of three key building blocks: RNA, proteins, and lipids. Covalent bonds are not there that binds them completely to provide a stable structure. Soap can break up the particle and help in dissolving the lipids layer that surrounds the virus. Soap breaks the weak bonds present within the virus and makes hand clean. So basically, soap contains fat-like compounds called amphilins, which are similar to lipids and found in the membrane of the viruses. When these soaps come in contact with these fatty substances, it binds with them and causes them to detach from the viruses. Also forces virus to separate from the skin. It is suggested to wash hand vigorously for at least 20 seconds because the virus can stick to any minuscule crinkles in the hands. Now about sanitizer. Sanitizers are also effective like alcohol-based gels. Sanitizers containing 60 to 80% alcohols are recommended to remove virus from hands. It is also said that the alcohol present in the sanitizer dissolves the lipid envelope and make the virus inactive. 60% of alcohol sanitizer are considered effective. While using sanitizer, it is important to cover the whole part of the hands. Comparison between soap and sanitizers. Sanitizer is handy and can be easily carried in a purse, pocket, etc. In fact, when water and soaps are not immediately available, hand sanitizer is a good option. Sanitizers are active against all type of viruses except norovirus. Sanitizer don't protect against some type of bacteria, whereas soap can protect. Hand sanitizer can sometimes be more expensive than the hand soaps. Alcohol-based hand sanitizers can quickly reduce the number of microbes on the hands in some situations, but not able to eliminate all type of germs. So CDC recommends washing hand with soap and water when possible, as it reduces all type of germs and chemicals on the hands. If soap and water are not available, then use at least 60% alcohol based sanitizer to avoid getting sick and will not spread germs to the others. Harmful chemicals like pesticides and heavy metals present in the hand may not be removed via using hand sanitizers.